If you want to embed Google Calendar in Xtiles, this video is going to walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to keep your team schedule visible, track content deadlines, or simply organize your personal calendar inside an Xtiles board, this is a really useful setup to know. And the best part is, it only takes a few minutes once you know where to click. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and lets me know to make more tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, especially if you manage more than one calendar. Once Google Calendar is open, look toward the top right area of the screen and click the settings icon, which looks like a gear. From the menu, click Settings. Inside the Settings area, you'll see a list on the left side. Look for the section called Settings for My Calendars. Under that section, select the calendar you want to embed into Xtiles. This is an important step because if you have multiple calendars, you want to make sure you're using the right one. After selecting the correct calendar, scroll down until you find the section called Integrate Calendar. This is where Google gives you the options you need for embedding. Depending on what Xtiles accepts, you'll either copy the public URL to this calendar or the calendar's embed code. If Xtiles accepts a link, copy the public calendar URL. If it accepts HTML embed code, copy the embed code instead. Just make sure you copy the full text exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake can stop the calendar from loading properly. Now, open Xtiles in your browser and go to the board where you want to add the calendar. This could be a project board, a planning workspace, or a personal dashboard. Once you're inside the board, look for the left menu and choose Embed. After selecting Embed, you'll see a place where you can paste your content. Paste the Google Calendar URL or embed code that you copied from Google Calendar. Then confirm the embed so Xtiles can load the calendar inside your board. Once it appears, take a moment to adjust the size and position. You may want to resize it so the calendar fits neatly alongside your notes, tasks, or other widgets. A clean layout makes it much easier to use day to day. If the calendar does not show up right away, double check whether Xtiles needs the public link or the embed code. Some platforms support one format better than the other, so if one option does not work, try the alternate version. And that's it. You've now embedded Google Calendar in Xtiles. This is a great way to centralize your planning and keep your schedule visible in one place. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and come back for more simple tutorials like this one.